All right, so if you're lucky enough to find yourself with some whitetail backstraps and you're wondering how to process them, so get them from essentially the field into the freezer, this is what I do. All you really need for this is a sharp knife, relatively skinny. I got a Benchmade meat crafter that I bought last year, or got for Christmas last year, and I love this. You could also use a fillet knife, but you're going to want something relatively sharp, not relatively sharp, you want something sharp and relatively skinny that you can slice the silver skin off. This is going to be the end product that we're looking for. This is what it's going to look like before you clean it up. You're going to remove this piece right here, and once you do that, you'll be able to cut the silver skin off. So slice that off, and then to get the silver skin off, again, you can, if you have a sharp knife, you can kind of come in under here, under the skin, and you just real slowly cut that off. So I'm not going to do this whole thing. It'd be a relatively boring video, but you can see how I just kind of pull this up and work it. I'm going to probably have to make a couple passes, but at the end, this is what we're looking for. Now, once I have it all the way clean, what I'm going to do is I'm going to chunk it. And so the goal is so that it will fit in this vacuum sealer bag. I don't know, what is this, a quart size bag? So think of that, but basically I'm going to get probably 4 chunks out of here. And the reason I like chunking it is because then I can freeze it and then I can decide what I want to do with it when I'm ready to eat it. So if I'm going to cook it whole on the grill, it's a good size. If I want to cut it up, medallions, fry it, it's a good size. So I'm just going to basically cut here, 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 and that should be good. So boom, boom, boom. Now, this little end piece, what I like to do with this is I actually like to use this for stir fry. All these other pieces, and this one is a little bit longer than I would have probably have liked it. But now, once I have this clean, I'm going to have similar pieces. So I'll have 2 about the same size. So when I'm cooking, I'll cook those 2, 1 or 2, depending on how many people I'm trying to feed. But this way, it just kind of keeps the meat consistent. So hopefully you found that beneficial. Once I have it diced up or cut up like that, again, I'm going to put it in the freezer bag, vacuum seal it, and you're ready to go.